Let's make an easy finger knitted Christmas wreath with no knitting needles needed. You'll need 3 feet of super bulky yarn, a tapestry needle, and optionally some beads and a piece of string for making a loop, and some ribbons for making a decorative bow. Now, first let's thread the beads onto the yarn. All right, now we're ready to start knitting. So hold the end of the yarn between your thumb and your index finger, and have the yarn come out between your index and middle fingers. And then go around over and under the 3 fingers until there are 2 loops on each finger. Then pull the bottom loop and put it over the finger. All right, so now we just repeat this for the whole length of the yarn. All right, let's do it again. Between the middle and index fingers, go over and under until there are 2 loops, and then pull the bottom loop over the finger. Okay, now we can start adding beads. So we want to add it sort of randomly between on the first 2 outside fingers. So now we continue, and let me speed up the video a little bit so you can see the wreath starting to form. Add another bead. Add another bead every couple rows. Okay, you can see it form. All right, the last bead, and we're almost done. So now we no longer have enough thread to go over and under, so now we're gonna cast off. So move the ring finger to the middle finger and the bottom loop over the middle finger, and then again over and the bottom loop over. And finally, we thread this end of the yarn over this loop and pull to tighten, and pull the other side to tighten as well. All right, so now we have the wreath, and we just want to make it into a circle like this. So we're going to take our tapestry needle and use these 2 ends to sew it together. We want the ends to kind of overlap a little so that the wreath will hold its form. You just go over and under a couple times. Do the same thing for the other end. Speed this up a little. All right, and then you can tie it on the inside of the wreath. Okay. There we go, nice and tight. And then using, again, the tapestry needle, weave in the ends into the wreath. All right, so now we have the wreath. And then we're going to add a loop so you could hang it onto your Christmas tree. First, tie a knot for the loop. And then thread the 2 ends into the wreath. And you want to do these two ends separately, so there's some yarn in between so that the loop does not fall out. All right, so then you can tie a knot on the inside, just like we did for the yarn. And you hide the loose ends inside the wreath. All right, and finally, we're now ready to add a bow. So thread it into a piece of yarn and just tie a bow. And now we have our Christmas wreath.